Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I do know what's in here, kind of. Haven't opened it yet, but I'm going to share it with you guys. I believe this is available. In any case, I'm going to link this and Protech knives right down below so you can check them out. Love Protech, huge fan of Protech, you guys know that. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon down there as well, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so this was sent by Corey, a gentleman who has sent lots of knives to the channel, loaned lots of knives to the channel because I don't get to keep this. This will go back. Here recently he sent me a couple. This is the other one, so really excited to see what's in here. It's actually, yeah, the TR3 MC1. So I've reviewed the TR3 before, but this version of it was something that I did not know existed. So in his note here, he says to go ahead and, oh, we have a safety here. Protech just fires so freaking hard. Magnacut, the TR3 and Magnacut. I couldn't remember what the deal was with this. I think that's pretty cool because if you don't know, the TR3 is probably Protech's, arguably it's Protech's most flagship model, right? And it's also a very good knife. I have a review on this knife. You can check it out. I might talk about this one just a little bit more. I think it's a good idea that they went ahead and did this model in Magnacut because Magnacut is, it's going to be a composition that is so perfectly well-rounded that it suits a lot of people. If you don't know, Magnacut is the combination of extremely high corrosion resistance, very, very good edge retention, good toughness, and great ease of sharpening, which is a balance that almost everybody wants and needs in their steel. Now, obviously, some specialty corners of knife user the knife user world, right, it might call for a little bit more of this or that. But for the vast majority of people, Magnacut, of course, when it is heat treated properly, is going to do the trick, so to speak. Protech, man, never relenting on that power. I gotta be honest with you. I'm personally not the biggest fan of the fish scale look, because then the whole knife looks like a fish. And I don't want my knife to look like a fish. I mean, this isn't my knife, right? It's not mine. I didn't buy this. So the person who bought it, Corey, obviously happy with it. So that's fine. There is a lock there. I don't think, I mean, and it works, by the way. You can't disengage it, right? And then when it's locked in the closed position, no matter how hard you push, it's not going to deploy. So for those of you, fearing that automatic knives, if you've never carried one, that it'll go off in your pocket. Most of the time, you don't have to worry about that when they recess the button because it's very, very unlikely. If you think about like how this is being carried, right? I'm going to carry it like this. So here's the back seam of my pocket. The blade's right here. That means this button and the frame are pushed up against my leg, right? So if is it ready to, yeah, okay. So no matter how hard I push right here, I'm pushing together, right? Simulating my pocket seam and the inside of my leg. No matter how hard I push, it's not going to deploy because that button is recessed. But that'll give you peace of mind, right? If you've never had an auto before, I can understand why you might want the safety on there just for peace of mind. So yeah, I mean, as long as you don't carry it in the front of your pocket, like I see, hold on, we got to rant for a sec. I see people, you know how pockets are shaped, right? So there's the back, like as far as your side pockets go, right? Putting your hands in your pockets, right? There's the back of your pocket, and then there's the front of your pocket, close to, let's say, the center of your legs. Why are some of you guys carrying your knives in the front of your pocket, close to the center of your legs? Huh? Why are you doing that? Stop doing that. Don't put your knife there. Don't. Even in an automatic knife or any knife that is locked double or triple closed that's not an object in general I want at the front of my pockets. Come on now. Come on. Make good choices. Put it up against the back seam of your pocket. My God. That's even worse than the people like, well, my dad sometimes, who will turn pocket knives out like this and carry them on the outside of their pockets, right? Like, here's the outside of your pants, right? People who do this. That's not where your pocket knife goes. There's going to be like one or two guys on. But just hear me out. Okay, here's why I do that. Here's why I attach my cell phone and my pocket knife to the outside of my belt, okay? It's really all about reach and tactical advantage. I don't want to hear it. It looks weird. You're going to lose your knife. Think about this. If it's inside your pocket and you catch the clip, well, for worst case scenario, you lose the clip or you bend the clip out. This outside your pocket, right? You walk by something and snags on it. Wow, hey, I've still got the clip, right? Or the broken piece of the clip, but the knife's gone. Right? So I got to look like a goober all day, and I lost my knife. Put your knives in your pocket, and then when they're in your pocket, put them up against the back seam. Ooh, crazy. Anyways, okay. Check out links for the Protech TR3 and Protech knives right down in the description. Seriously, check out Protech knives. They're awesome. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. This is not a review, by the way. I'm sure you're like, what the heck am I watching? First timers on my channel. This is an unboxing and first impressions, right? I've already checked out the TR3. I know all about it. You probably won't get a full review of it, honestly. But if you want to check out the full comprehensive review of the TR3, type in Metal Complex Protech TR3. It'll probably come up for you. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.